Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen flickering issue on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Method 1. Enable Disable HW Overlays in Developer Options. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Settings application. This is where all your system-level controls are located. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Once inside, look for the Software Information section and tap on it. Step 3. Now locate the Build Number option. Tap on it 7 times in quick succession. If prompted, enter your device password or PIN. This will enable developer mode on your device. Step 4. Once developer mode is enabled, go back to the main settings screen. Now scroll down and tap on Developer Options, which should now appear in your settings list. Step 5. Scroll through Developer Options and find the section called Hardware Accelerated Rendering. Under that, locate the Disable HW Overlays option. Turn this on. This forces the system to use GPU rendering instead of the CPU, which often helps resolve screen flickering caused by software issues. If this method worked for you, great. If not, don't worry, we've got 2 more methods to try. Method 2. Lower the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Step 1. Head back to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Display option. Step 2. Now look for the Motion Smoothness or Refresh Rate setting. This may vary slightly depending on your device model. Step 3. If your phone is currently set to Adaptive, which allows up to 120 Hz, switch it to Standard, 60 Hz. While 120 Hz gives smoother visuals, it can sometimes cause flickering, especially in apps not optimized for higher refresh rates. Step 4. Tap Apply or Confirm to save the changes. This often resolves flickering issues, especially if they occur during app transitions or scrolling. Still not fixed? No problem. There's one more method to try. Method 3. Reset all settings. Step 1. Once again, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Step 2. In this menu, scroll down and tap on Reset. Step 3. Now tap Reset all settings. This will not delete your personal data like photos or apps, but it will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display settings, and more. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your choice. This reset can resolve persistent flickering issues caused by a misconfigured setting or corrupted display configuration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.